You have never seen such an easy and delicious way to make rice. Add 1 cup of rice. Now saute the rice in olive oil. I am using low heat. It's necessary to cook the rice on low heat to avoid burning it. Make sure to spread it well. Now add water to the rice. I'm using warm water. Add water until covered, like this. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. And cover and wait for the rice to cook. The next step is to separate 4 eggs. And add the eggs to a bowl. Now be careful not to break the yolk. The yolk must not mix with the white. Now separate the yolks from the white. I'm using an ice cream scoop to help me. It just makes it so much easier. And it makes it a lot quicker. Okay, now add some salt to the egg whites. And beat everything very well until it forms a foam. This is how it should look. And they should become white like this. Now beat the egg yolks. There's no need to add salt. And after beating well, add the yolks into the rice. See how it looks? Now mix the rice with the yolks to cook the egg. Look how tasty and different and quick this rice recipe is. I mean, the rice was ready within 5 minutes. Now add the beaten egg whites. Gosh, this rice is so good. Now spread the egg whites over the rice. This is also one of those recipes that's just very quick and easy. And very tasty. For those who like egg rice, it doesn't make a big mess. And this is the correct point. Now put it on a plate to eat and enjoy. This is our rice.